Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SMCAD. Today we will discuss very useful command. It's called Tcount. It will help you a lot in especially for tables. Whenever you want to draw new table, new projects or edit old table, it will help you a lot and it will save your much time. So let's start the video. For time saving, I just make some small table here. So we'll start here with this number. First, suppose I want to make table like this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 up to 10, but I just write only number 1. So I'll copy this. This is the base point. I'll select here and now I'll click on array. Number of array will be 10. Enter, and this will be the second base point. So you can see now all are 1 1 1 1 up to here. Suppose I want to change this one from this position or this text from 1 to 1 1 to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and so on up to your table. So we have two way. One is normal way. I need to click on this, double click, edit this to, then go to another one 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it will take too much time from you. Instead of that, we have one command, tcount. Just type t c, so it's coming here, tcount. Click on this, select object, enter. So now it will ask you which axis you want. So our text is on x axis. See, we select x axis. Now here we have from where you want to start, the starting number and increment. So starting number will be 1 from start will be 1, then comma and increment. Suppose if I want to make it 1 2 3 4 5, so the increment will be 1. Suppose I want to make 1 3 5, so increment I'll put 2, but I need up to 10, so I'll make increment also 1 and then enter. Then I will have 4 options here. Here's override, prefix, suffix, find and replace. So I will override means all these number will be changed as per my requirement. So we will override on the existing number. Click on this, see all number has been changed from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, continue up to 10. Now I'll copy this, bring it down. Now suppose I want to start 20 from here, then 19 18 and so on, continue. So also the same thing, tcount, select object, enter, x axis. Now where you want to start, I'll start with 20 comma and the increment will I will make -1, enter, again override. So you can see it will start from 20 19 18 and so on. Okay, just one more, copy to down. Now I'll start here 21 from here. Okay, so tcount, select object, enter, x axis. We'll start from 21 comma again 1 and overwrite. So it is very useful and simple command, especially for tables for beginners. Now we'll go with another option. We go with x axis. Similar also we can go with y axis. So just I'll copy this, enter. Now again tcount, we'll select object, this, enter. Now here I will select y axis. Okay, I'll start from from where we want to start. Suppose I want to make 1 3 5 7 like this, so I will start with the 1 and then comma, increment I will write here 2, enter, and again overwrite. So you see it's coming from 1 3 5 7 9 and so on up to your requirement. So this is the first method. Okay, secondly, or we can explore this command more with another type of table. So here, suppose we have any text in the table and we want to write 1 2 3 4 before or after. Also we can use this tcount command for the same purpose, and also we can replace some words with the in the table. So I'll just copy this, co, enter with array 10 number, enter, and this is the base point, so enter. Now suppose I want to write here 1 2 3 4 5 with the a. So again I have one method to just click on this, then write a 1 2 3 4. So instead of that we'll use tcount, select object, enter, same x-axis. Now after a I want which number. Suppose I want 1 2 3 4 5. So I have, all right, start with 1 and comma, increment also 1, enter, prefix or suffix. Suppose if I want before, I'll go with the prefix. If I want after, so I'll go with suffix. So I'll go with the suffix. So you see after a there is a number automatically come. Okay. Now suppose another one, also we can do another command. Instead of here we have b. Okay, and copy this again with array 10 number. Suppose I want to write, instead of this b, I want to write 1 2 3 4 5. So also we can do the same in the tcount command. So tcount, select object, enter, x-axis, same, increment. Suppose I want here, so start from 2. So I'll write here, or anything, any word what you want. I'll write it with 1, and increment I'll write 2, comma 2, enter. Now here find and replace, we will go with this. So what you want to find, you have to write here, I want to find b, and replace it with a number. So b, and you have to enter the main enter. Okay, enter. So you see now the b digit, or b alphabet, sorry, b alphabet go with the numbers. So I hope you like this video. It's very useful in AutoCAD, especially for beginners. If you like this video, please share with your friends for knowledge purpose. Thank you.